Datmahseh, you know.
Episode 4.
Yeah, we are shot them off quick and fast, you know.
And fast, wanna move.
Oh, cause we just still look for the like, the subscribe and the share them.
And so the comment them. You meet a painter, the man bad.
Yo, are the baddest artwork them I seen in a long while. And the man I incorporate him love of music with him love of the female anatomy.
Yeah, by the Untitled Chapter, I'm a self-taught artist. Start out from Waterhouse. Used to do painting for O.T. Williams. Until we just launched out on the own. Used to work for designer Rama. Work for various places. Do signs and things. I love abstract and scenery landscape portrait. So all of those are my specialized painting.
What type of medium you use?
I use acrylic and canvas. Sometimes I use oil, but I hardly use oil unless somebody really harder than me. But most likely I use acrylic.
What is the difference between the acrylic and the oil?
Well, the oil take a longer, it's a longer thing to work on. Because what happens, you know, the oil is put in the sun even for 3 days, it can't dry. It dry by time. All 5 days it not dry. So most time, most artists don't really use it because it takes time. When a person uses oil unless somebody really hard at it. But the acrylic is a thing as you put it on in space of 2 minutes, it dry. The oil, you can do an oil and go away and left it for all 3 months and come back and continue work on it. If you make a mistake with the oil, you can correct it. But the acrylic, you have to definitely go over the whole thing if you make a mistake.
Tell me about some of the pieces you have over there.
Okay, I have one that everybody are ball for that right now. When you're private lesson. It's an abstract with a man and a woman, but it's shaped in a guitar. And everybody want that piece of painting. Alright, this piece, one night I lie down in my bed, about 3 o'clock and can't sleep. And the idea just come to me and I say, you know me, I'm going to just create something out of a guitar with a woman and a man. And we just do it. And the first place we put it up on Facebook and everybody are comment on the painting. Right now, even this piece here, somebody come and pay 10,000 for it already, you know. You know? This piece is a piece now where a man a play a drum, I just shape it out. Yeah. This is another piece. This is a person love music, you know. So
I see that. I say you love the music,
yeah,
man.
They have a sound near music machine. So this is a person who just love music because we grew up in a Waterhouse, you know, right behind Jamaica studio. So it's a music person. I have Mother's Day painting. I do landscape. But normally I do landscape and scene because too much artists are doing those. Come on. We call this one Black Woman and Child.
Black Woman and Child?
Yeah.
Oh, I not like the work clean.
Yeah, man. This piece,
Anthony.
Yeah, this piece, we do this piece out a leaf. Just do a lady, shape out a lady out a leaf. Yes, Papa.
Oh, you can see the lady.
Right.
You know the leaf.
Out of the leaf.
Oh, this is amazing, G. I say you do the self-taught with this?
Yeah, man, self-taught. Never go and no art school. I just love to do something unusual. One thing, I lie down in my bed at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and an idea come to me. Just get up and sketch it out. Next day, just put it on the canvas.
Where you get the inspiration from?
You know, honestly, it's from the creator, you know. I never go to school for this. From a baby, it's something just born in me. To me, it's a specialty from the creator.
So this is a source of income, or?
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is the source of income. Yeah, man, this is what gives me everything. Everything they have is painting.
Okay.
And painting is something I love. I have a passion for it. If I should dead and come back tomorrow morning, this is what I'm going to choose. Because I have a passion.
Oh, see.
Sometimes my lady will turn to me and say, oh, not if you eat, you don't want to eat as long as they are paint. If me not paint, you come like me have headache. Well, my work, if you want to reach me, my work is at 62 Moline Road, where I'm based. And I'm at the corner of Moline Road and Greenfield. My contact number is 359-8262. That is the Digicel. The line is 7833877. That's also on WhatsApp. My name is Anthony Mitchell. I'm a self-taught artist and a Datmahseh.
Datmahseh. Look at that.
Look at that. The man color, the man choice of color, the man leveler, proficiency with painting, him artistry, him creativity. The man said never go to school, you know.
Datmahseh, Jamaicans are terrific.
Bad man. I have him link, man. So if you don't want painting, just link me. Cause right now that the man bad.
Yeah man, I see it man. Yeah man, I tell you, he might forget link man. We have to give him some business. Cause right now, when you see them talent there, them talent not come like now. $5 a pound talent, you know.
Yeah.
Them talent there, a 1 in a million talent.
Yeah, man, the man talent the oxtail dog. Or lobster talent the man. The man no chicken back talent and lobster talent the man having a dog.
Oxtail man talent.
Yeah, right now, Datmahseh we move on to a different style of creativity. Link up with the legendary Sky Juice.
Alright.
Them man they Selector where I select from 1970. The man saying it done.
Yeah, them man they select before me and that man are back.
No, but yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah.
You the man say usually select for $10 a night.
Yeah, blue $10.
The blue $10 they must stop make a long time. And now people even beg $10 no more.
Nah, go on now, beg you $1, my brother.
But me see you on internet, man, you're a star. You're supposed to reach her now.
I go all round town and I yes alone, I go, but me not rich, I'm poor. Nothing me not have.
Lie, you're rich, man. Me see you get pants, and you get shirts.
Then that no say me rich, my brother. Man, I'm richer thing than that. Do me a beg you $2, I buy a party and a cocoa bread in there, sir. Me don't know what you can do for me, say. Now beg you $2, I buy a party. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Yeah, and God make me see you this morning.
If you not beg bills, don't beg. Oh, let's check out what Sky Juice have said, man.
Yeah. Sky Juice, Datmahseh.
Right, Sky Juice, Datmahseh, you gone global. Because you have Sky Juice, say you're a movie star.
Still, I don't know you're a veteran.
Yeah, man.
In the music, so
Yeah, man.
I want to know how you feel about the way the music is going right now. Because you have some man where in a group and them, everybody not too mix. You depend on the selector them side. It depends on the musician them side, the artist them. Some artists now vice some producer. Some producer now gonna get certain artists on a certain show because them artists are dependent. What do you think about the unity?
Well, right now, I don't want in the music business one love and unity, because you are going on. You see, me as a youth growing up, for my whole time, people used to teach me Sky Juice. See, no man is an island, no man stand alone. See? So right now, I have to come together as one black brother and make the music nice. See, that's a show thing. See, because some people, some of them too bad mind. So I'm a arena group now, and trying to feel say I'm the bigger, better singer. See, maybe he might feel say I'm the bigger singer. Him feel get more money, more time. I'm a may have more. Why it mix up here, the whole thing just corrupt here, sir. But what we want in the music, we want everybody to just come together and live as one. Also the Selector them too. We want everybody to just come together with us. Them include nowadays and then come into the music business and then come in with them laptop and them walk like dance and then get too far with them say them are the man. See? They say them are the man. And me you know say, if you have a foundation, the building can't build. See me know me not go to high school. But me know, because back in my days when I play sound, a market, we used to sleep in a market. You know most people come to the interview here and I don't do it. So I don't know what I pick to do it for you. You know what people, you have people come from Europe, right, book Sky Juice, but through them not do the right thing, because them does me give them, write a book about me and them just give me money and so on. But me know, so I'm telling me, let me pass it to my mom, want to my kids them. So we don't sign that.
True.
See, they have to do some kids, they have to get something
See?
Yeah, so
if I pass my kids, them can't have something again.
yeah, so you think
legacy.
yeah,
See?
but as a veteran in the thing, you see some young selector come up and them not really learn the thing, and what are some of the things that you see them not do right?
I don't learn anything, you know.
Them not
Rush them,
them
and crush it.
Okay.
See? Rush them and crush it. You know, you have some of them, some of them loyal, you know, and some of them not loyal, you know. See, like in my days now, who's saying, you see you growing up and listen Sky Juice. In my days now, you also get, when we start play sound, there are 70s, 80s come right. You used to get $10 a night. Blue $10 a night.
$10?
$10 a night. And we used to see me going out more street.
Yeah.
When all man told them, I make sure me every Wednesday night. At $10, me get for the night.
Run on this road.
Run on this road, I appreciate it a lot. I'm saying we have to give thanks to the Daddy Metro.
Yeah.
And Peter Metro. See me big up them, see. And I see these Sky Juice too. I'm going to tell you something to me, that's why God have me so today. Because me know say God love me. And me know say there's a God, and I believe in God. You know why? Because me never go down school for this. It's a gift me get from God.
Yeah.
I never go down school for this. Because me don't have no big brain. I'm not ashamed to talk about it.
Yeah.
But I'm get a gift from God. See, and me use it wisely. That's why God have me a God. You know, say me get a marriage stroke and drop down.
Yeah.
And God bring me back. See?
Yeah, Mr. Say you recover well from the stroke.
God bring me back. So God love me and God. See, that's why you see me. And me also love people and give people respect. See, guys, I know people that put more 6 ways. Come around me and appreciate me, know me, my family, stick by me, my friends, them stick by me. I say thank God, my father Paul from Stone Love.
Yeah.
He was one of the first man come look for me. My youth, them, Ian from Look Up and then Daddy Metro, long live Oliver, my right hand.
Yeah.
See, I mean, you don't say give thanks to Bounty Killer, every entertainer. Give thanks to Bounty Killer, every entertainer in music business. Because I don't take side. Because I don't have my 2 sides already.
Yeah.
So I don't take no side when it comes to music business. See?
Yeah, I say one of your colleagues them get a stroke to where they man recover.
When I want him to I pray God him get over, you know?
Yeah.
And I pray God come go do something for him to, you know, can he keep something for him and come there with him and I tell the people love me much as I nearly 2 million views in Ghana now.
Yeah.
See, so you know. So out here, you have to thank God to Jesus and thank God to I pray lady can just know me and my family.
Yeah.
My son, see and my big daughter Shelly. My son Cash and my wife, sister Dalian, sister Baby, my big mother. So it's going to the whole thing come together and give me strength. And thank God for Jesus again, you know?
Yeah.
God have make a sing car. The day I go New York, man, I'm run out on the stage, man. Give the people make a new juice. So the doctor said to me, say, I'm going to pick up all the doctors and the nurses there.
Yeah.
See, pick up all security and pick up all youth and youth. What make it right. One love and unity. See, one love and unity. Nothing wrong with Jamaica, you know. Sometimes them say something wrong with Jamaica.
Yeah.
You can't do this now. Nothing wrong with Jamaica. The people who live at Jamaica.
Yeah, and never change.
So all we want in the music business, come back to that now. We want it, we come together and build up the thing good. See, some of it to bad mind. We want to come together as one. We also somebody say to them to bad mind. We want to come together and make things come as one. See, and build up reggae music. See, and it can go because reggae music worldwide is the best music in the whole world. So we want to come together as one and make it right. See you, is that interview here? Me I tell you say, you know gone, got enough man come for this, it go global, it don't go platinum, silver, gold, everything it go. So big up Down Sound, my company.
Yeah.
That's my company. Father Joe respect. I scatter anywhere in the world they big up. Mr. Pretty Carla. See me tell you that what you saying is worldwide, you know. It's a worldwide thing. Big up Metro me that sound. See Father Metro, the boss. Long live Oliver, Scully Platinum, the whole of me youth them, saying famous, the singer merchant. Every entertainer in a Jamaica, Sky Juice respect you know. Every entertainer, every selector, one love and unity. Now beg the man them. One love and unity, L-O-V-E, love from Sky Juice. They say, oh God bless, no man curse. Thank you very much you. Nice job you are doing. Respect.
Datmahseh.
Yeah, Datmahseh. Sky Juice. I don't know, the man talk some things a while ago. But remember, yo, I know them man there are the vibes master.
Yeah, if I
The
remember
man they
since,
teach
man.
enough selector how to do the thing.
Wow.
So the man they take off all him shirt and go so.
Yeah, doing gimmick. Yeah, I feel him give me
Yeah,
that
man,
forever.
them-
Everybody knows say I feel him thing.
Yo, but you know, say I have to live healthy, you know, because I don't know conditions and lifestyle changes. Because I get up in that age, say I lose the belly, but him still have the energy, so
Yeah.
don't know, weight loss is a good thing still.
Yeah, so right and them can't do that something the way him used to do again and make it look that way, but I still Sky Juice.
Yeah,
Probably just having little lime in it here now, you see me?
Little lime like that.
That me I say.
That me I say.
See me?
Yeah, but the man talk some things, bro. In the music, you don't know you have feud that going on between Jamil and Tommy Lee. I don't know you have certain side of man don't deal with certain side of man. But it's serious, you know, dog. A producer and advise certain artists. Artists can't link certain promoter for go up on certain show. If certain man dep on the rhythm, they yo, me no want dep on the rhythm because them man dep on it. Me no like it.
Nah, but true, but too still, you know, that how it always going on every kind of black music still. You know? Nah, but you know, say all the year Tommy Lee this up Movada, and Movada good. Him love Movada, you know.
Tommy Lee?
Yeah, me hear him say so already.
Tommy Lee a good youth.
Tommy Lee love Movada, man. Tommy Lee not too take it now, we are just lyrics, man. But remember, say, right now.
No, but it's a part of the music still, our culture. But me no want, I say like how Tommy Lee and Jamila in a little thing right now. Would like, after the little feuding done, them can do all that song, man.
But I don't know, this is Tommy Lee reaching out to everybody in the world, all music lovers. And I say for this 2018, we need peace, love and unity in Jamaica. You see me? Montego Bay. Peace, love and unity. Datmahseh, boot it up.
Yeah, people, this is Moods Datmahseh. I have to interrupt the episode here to talk a little about the Tommy Lee situation. Now, I know this man as a musician, but the way them arrest Tommy Lee and the type of police were arresting, CTOC, Counter Organized Crime and Terrorism Prevention Unit in the police force. And in a normal police will stop people and search them and give them ticket. Or some serious police them then. So me don't know the situation because I can't speak much about it. As you know, he is in custody. Him lawyer put in a claim say them need to charge him and release him. So the judge said Tuesday them are going to make a ruling on it. So stay tuned to that, me I say, for the latest on the Tommy Lee situation. We just have to just watch where I go on, because time alone will tell. You know?
Yeah, but that make it enticing, because when this man I say, yo, Tommy Lee them him say, I mean say, yo, Jamil them bad to you.
Yeah, but what me I say still, me don't like to know. I hear the people them now. Who don't like to collaborate now? Because I like to hear I don't have massacre, you know.
Nah, true, that me just say, you know.
Yeah, man, that's the body.
I don't have massacre, that be a good collaboration right
yeah,
now.
dog, right now I don't have massacre with a shell.
And a new Vibes Cartel Movada with a bad right now.
Yeah, right now, dog, I'll even. I won't, y'all busy signal I don't know, I don't want to hear no dog, yo.
Sign up that bad.
Them man, they are feud from Desert Clocks and Diamond Socks.
Yeah, man, them truly that bad right now, real.
And Dona, I one of the artists them man. Yo, me I listen Dona from him have his scatter CD.
Yeah.
Him have him first CD when him give out them. Bad man bust the eagle.
When him that work with scatter.
Shake under me feet. Boom boom.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I listen them man before them bust. So Busy Signal and I don't know. I like that hear the collaboration there.
Me tell you the next collaboration with I love.
Yeah.
Boy Massacre and Governor.
Massacre and Governor. Yeah.
Boy Governor go with that bugger thing right
Governor.
now. I like him energy.
Yeah. Governor have a new style of flow him a go on with.
Him lazy flow it bad.
It a work. And him creative with it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Whole heap of thing.
Yeah.
Wanna move.
Yeah, man, that Governor do him thing right now. So the youth them are doing thing in the music and it nice.
Yeah.
Only thing is, long as you not do it and not keep it competitive and keep it lyrical, it great. Anytime you start get physical, that's where the problem arise.
You can't condone the physical thing.
Yeah.
But kill no when I do lyrics, man.
I
Lyrics.
mean, man, keen people belly. Like how what they say, my girl pa Magnum. Keen fatty belly, I make she look slim right now, youth. Me, if I tell you I saw lyrics to deal with people in overdrive. I'm going to say blue ball for them pointed mouth and deal unga punga.
Plug up a thing.
Unga punga, you know, ready.
Yeah, me, sir.
Music will say, life. Don't know.
Datmahseh. And do remember to subscribe if you're new to the channel. For don't know Datmahseh, we will tell you about the show is like anything about Jamaican lifestyle, culture, anything that is off Jamaica, and we think you guys should see it.
Because you don't know that me I say it's not no one-dimensional show.
No, sir.
From any time to any time you might come on and say we are dealing with anything.
Yeah, anything.
Yeah.
So we are say you
Why?
just like, subscribe and share.
Datmahseh.